really wild gestures and they can just follow you? Because we want to get the feel of the items. So when you do it, why don't you just emphasize the iambic nature?
Okay, all right. Thank you.
Whose woods these are, I think I know. His house is in the village though. He will not see me stopping here to watch his woods fill up with snow. My little horse must think his drink to stop without a farmhouse near. Between the woods and frozen lakes, the darkest evening of the year, he gives his heart, his bells a shake to ask if there is some mistake. The only other sounds asleep of easy wind and downy